Well, we're just now getting out here to the field, and we got a little crop duster action. Let's get started, shall we? It's already hot out. I'm a little bit shocked they're already crop dusting. Usually, you're not supposed to start crop dusting your field until it's almost ready to tassel. But everybody has their own ways, I guess, which he could be putting on some urea on top of that field. You can put a urea on with an airplane. Pretty cool.
Basically the front of Baling.
Well, we're gonna get started.
Wheat harvest, although we're a little late in the game, we're about done. We're in it's pretty thick. My power meter's maxed out. I think it's a little wet also. Old JT's back here behind me. Let's swing around here. Cleanup, we kind of messed up. We split up down there. But, hasn't been too bad. A little hilly, but other than that. This stuff is, it's bogging it down pretty fast. Seen a lot of fawns, so that's a plus, I guess. Insurance is about to drop some people this year. All them deer about to get hit. Alrighty. Let the machine run. We're going to clean up this auger, hopefully at least get majority of it that's in the combine in the tank. And then the harvest is over. About 200 acres or so, a little over 200 maybe, I don't know. But it's done. Now we get to planting. I don't know if we're doing that today or tomorrow, but somebody's going to be planting it probably today. Then we're going to go hay, because I got some hay down, so we'll probably go bale that up. So somebody's probably going to be planting, somebody's going to be baling and raking. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I don't know, we'll see if we can get some content, depends on where I'm at, I guess.
Actually, all came out, so it couldn't have been that bad. Probably got lucky because my window was almost full of dry wheat before I did it.
We'll see. We'll see where we take off today. I don't know, I'm going to say I'm probably going to be baling more than planting. Jeffrey's planter tractor is actually down the road, so they moved it here this morning. So his planter's actually here. Mine's actually about 3 to 4 miles away, so we'll have to move it if we have to plant with him. we'll see if we get both planters running. Stay tuned, we'll see.
Swipes. Kind of. Wherever there's down wheat, it's really green and wet. Oh, look at that. You can definitely tell it's a little wet. That's about the end of the old wheat harvest, so we'll catch you guys here in a little bit. I think we're going to go get the bean planters brought out to the field. Jeffrey might start planting. Matt will be helping him tomorrow, so you guys will see a little bit of that probably. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll go spray. We'll see. I'll give you guys an update here in a while.
Alright, we're back. We're planting. We got Jeffrey up there. He's helping me plant. Tile that wet. Not bad, not bad. So we're getting closer. We've been planting for probably 2 hours now. I'm planting about 155 to 160 pop. My planter's acting up, so it's kind of all over the board actually. My seed depth's all over the place. I don't know why, but it is. So we're kind of just going with a happy medium and taking it. A lot of terraces and tile outlets. But hopefully we can get this done tonight and move down the road. I gotta answer.
Well, we have a little bit of change of scenery here. We went and hopped in the old hay equipment, me and Dad. Dad wanted the baler, or he just took, I don't know. He took it from me. He can have it. He can have it. Raking's probably the easiest job on the farm. Making bales. See, he gets the bather because he actually makes good bales, and when I make bales, they go poof. I don't know. Experience, I suppose. Matt and Jeffrey's plant beans. Those would be considered double crop beans. They are getting planted right after our wheat. They're planting them, and then me and Dad's going to do some hay here for the rest of the day. Try to get the rest of what we knocked down up. We'll see what tomorrow will bring. They are calling for rain, but depending on if it rains, how much rain. Lots of variables. But if we don't get much, I'll probably be spraying again tomorrow. So I'll get back to that, start hammering that stuff out, get that taken care of. So, we'll see. We got this big field and then a couple patches up the road, and we'll be out of here. Feels like a vibration right here. Felt a little weird. I don't know. We'll see. We'll catch you guys in the next clip.
We're folding up. Got the 112 done. She's planted. Moving down the road. Where the 94 acres is. And then we're gonna plant that tomorrow. We're not gonna do that tonight. We're gonna move combines back home. Jake's got the service truck. Jeffrey's gonna take it home. Me and Jake are taking combines home. And wheat harvest is over. Bean planting is about over. Now we can start focus on hay and get that knocked out, because we haven't really got a whole lot of it knocked out yet. So that's gonna be our next focus. Jake's going back to spraying. Be on the hay crew for a while. Probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Depending on if it rains or not, it might be longer. But be moving hay, baling hay, raking hay, mowing hay. That's something we do around here. That's gonna be the next option. Until harvest season. Well, we do have a lot of corn to haul, so it might take a while. Yeah, I kind of forgot about that contract. Gosh, dang it. Dang it. Alright, anyway. I know I didn't get a lot, but we're moving. Maybe tomorrow I'll get you a plant video. I don't know. I should help him finish this tomorrow, so I'll get a video tomorrow for sure. Keep an eye out. I'll put you on the planner. We'll see what happens. I don't know if I'll leash you or not. Look at this steep old hill that we had to, manhandle here. Jakes. It's like Mount Everest. Just kidding. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. I gotta go.
Well, the rake broke its last bolt on the tire, so that's got shut down. Dad finished it up. A couple swipes. Came out here to help the boys move down the road. Got old Mr. Matty B. They just got this 112 done. They're gonna move down the road and wait till tomorrow morning to finish this all up. And I'm gonna take this down and pick Jeff up, or let Jeff take this home. I'm gonna go ahead and take my combine home. I think Matt's gonna take his home. And probably gonna be the end of the old day today. So I appreciate y'all tuning in for wheat harvest / planting and baling season. It's very hectic around Klocke Farms, as you know. But, yeah, we will see you guys in the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And have a good day.